Hi, and if you want your blower to be doing it this fall season, stay tuned. Hi everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to start your blower for the fall season. I'm going to give you 3 crucial steps that you should try before taking your blower to the shop. Stay tuned. Right here we have a BG50. It's a handheld blower. It's my personal blower. I love it. I have had this blower probably 5 years, haven't gave me a problem. But I'm gonna give you 3 crucial steps that you should try before taking your blower to the lawnmower shop. Step number 1 is to always change the fuel out before starting your blower. Make sure that you have fresh fuel in the blower. If the fuel is old and stale, it's bad fuel, so you don't want to prime it into the system. Next thing is to take your plug out. Check your plug. Make sure your plug is not all looking all black and smutted up. If your plug looks all black, it's best to replace it. Most time, if I know my blower been sent up for 3 or 4 months, I usually replace the plug anyway. Next thing is your filter right here, and this blower right here has a cartridge filter. So most blowers either have a cartridge filter or a foam filter. If it's foam filter and it's all gassed up and all feeling all mushy, best to replace it. Cartridge filter, if it's all got grass and dirt and it's all dirty, it's best to replace it. A lot of times, if it's not that bad, you just take it and blow it out, put it back in the blower. But those 3 things are very, very crucial to getting your blower to crank up in the fall season. For the gas, if it was me, my blower, what you should do is you should dump the fuel out, put fresh fuel in it before you even prime it up. Put fresh fuel in it, prime it up with the fresh fuel in it. That way it circulates the old gas out of the carburetor by entering new gas into the carburetor. After you're done that, you put your new plug in, you put your new filter in, then get a blower try. If the blower doesn't start then you gotta go into it's another problem then. But in order to get those steps, subscribe to my YouTube channel where I can show you how to service and repair all your small engine equipment. Or if it's a video that you don't see that you would like to have information on, just email me at wmser26@yahoo.com and I will be sure to reply to you or come up with a video to where you're understanding to your problem and could come up with a solution for your situation. But as I said, change the fuel out, change the spark plug out, change the air filter out, then give your blower a try. If it doesn't start then, email me and we'll go through the steps. Thanks for watching.